Okay, see, I gotta keep this real. See, my hair is not perfect. My hair is coarse, it's dry, it's wavy, and it's curly. But in this past year, I've actually learned about how I should embrace some sort of particular hairstyles and which makes my hair look good every single time. And in this video, I'm gonna teach you these two simple hairstyles which you guys can pull off if you have the similar hair type as me. And bro, you'll always look amazing. Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who are new here, hi, I'm RAEVON D'Souza, and in this channel I make videos about men's fashion, lifestyle, grooming, health, fitness, motivation, and many more. And you know what? You have to just click that subscribe button because I'm pretty sure like whatever videos I make will definitely help you out in some or another way. Okay, it's hairstyle time. Let's go to my different studio. Okay, so this first hairstyle is for my boys who have curly, coarse or dry hair. This is really effective. It will make you look sexy. And you know what's the benefit of this one as well? You can do it under 2 minutes, which is time efficient. Number one, I go with applying some argan oil on my hair. Just to give your hair a good sort of volume, and it also helps your hair to give because it smells good, so it gives your hair a good fragrance as well. So I just go in like a backwards motion. So I go. And also, as I forgot to mention in the very start of the video, for this your hair should be damn dry, so you should not completely dry your hair, or else your hairstyle won't be it won't look natural and also won't come up properly as well. So you need your hair to be a bit damp. And after I put the argan oil, as you see, like my curls are naturally popping up already, but to give that curls a little bit of more volume, a little bit of more texture, I use a leave-in conditioner. This is from Isano. It's a coconut milk leave-in conditioner. This smells good as well, and I actually love this product. Like, I've been relying on this product since so long, and it just makes my hair look amazing. So I do the same thing. I take a little bit pinch of it, and then I go in the backwards motion as well. It just smells wonderful as well. So as you see, my hair is getting the natural curly structure, but for this you need to actually wait for your hair to get dry now. So after applying everything, you need to wait and let your hair dry. Then your curls would pop up more. But also the only last thing I would like to do is, because I always do this, because when you go out outside, what happens is when the air hits your hair, the entire hairstyle ruins. But to keep that curls maintained, to keep it strong and to last all day long, I use a hairspray. This is actually like an extra option you can use. If you don't want to use it, you shouldn't use it, because hairsprays are not good for your hair, because it makes your hair stiff, which is not good for dry and coarse hair. But I only do it when I'm when I have to go out for good events and stuff. That's the time I use hairspray. So else I just go with like argan oil, leave-in conditioner, leave for 5 minutes, and then your hair pops out like magic. So what I do is, so that's it, boys. See, like my hair has got the natural curly structure now, and I've been actually digging this hairstyle for a while because it just suits me, and as I have curly hair normally, naturally, it just looks really good on me. And if you have curly hair as well, it's a plus point for you. So just do this hairstyle, it takes under 2 minutes, and it's also time efficient, so that's the best, and it always makes you look sexy. And also what? This hairstyle is trendy at the moment, so you cannot miss on this hairstyle. Okay, so this second hairstyle is for everyone. Anyone can do it. It's the basic high quiff. It looks good on everyone, and it's always in trend. So Yes, let's try. I always go with applying argan oil first. What argan oil also does is it protects you from the heat of the blow dryer. Because I'm going to blow dry my hair now, because my hair is normally curly, so it doesn't twist up normally. That's the reason I have to blow dry it, keep it straight a bit, and then afterwards, just style it. So what I do is I put argan oil backwards in my hair so that it holds the entire hair and it goes to the scalp a little. So you see, as I've applied the argan oil properly, now I'll do is, because my hair is a bit wet, what I'll do is I'll take the blow dryer and just dry my hair a bit, because the only one thing is that you should never brush your hair while your hair is wet. So the first thing you need to do is you at least need to keep it a little bit dry, like more on the dry side and less on the wet side. So as you see, my hair is a bit dry, it looks a bit messy, but now comes the magic. You have to use a straight headed brush, and what I mostly do is I usually go drawing it backwards first, and then afterwards I go in the front direction, so that my hair gets both the directions, so that wherever I move my hair, it's always in shape and it doesn't go out of form. As you see, the backwards motion is done, the hair is getting a bit of a straight structure. Now I'll do the front motion just so that it gets more volume as well, because as you go back and front, your hair is actually used to, getting a one structure. So yes, you'll see more volume when I do that. And also, as I forgot to mention, you have to keep your blow dryer in a medium setting and on high speed to do this. Never keep your blow dryer on the highest settings, you might burn your hair. So it's always good to keep your blow dryer in the medium setting and on the highest speed. So now, as you see, my hair has got a bit of a structure, but the only thing is that the volume is not that good. So to get more volume in your hair, I usually use a round brush. So what this does is it bounces your hair, it gives a good volume to your hair, and it will always keep your hair in shape as well, because as you're doing it, your hair becomes sort of in a structure which will stay for longer. So as you guys now see that my hair is perfect, it just looks amazing. It has got its volume, it has got the high quiff, it has got a good wave in it. But the only thing is, I don't want this wave. I need the hair to stay strong, I need the hair to stay long, like stay up for longer, and I'm also going up, so you need to use a good hair product. I mainly use the Uppercut Deluxe. It's a matte clay. I also use a hair paste, but I'm out of it right now, like I don't have it anymore, I have to get more. but the matte clay is so good. It keeps your hair in structure. It gives your hair a matte sort of structure as well. It makes your hair look even more better. So what I do is, and while you're using hair products, never take more than just this small amount. That's the amount you need to take. That's all. Here you go. You rub it in your palm nicely so that the product on your palm is invisible, like this. Can you see the product? Nothing at all. So now, put it on your head. So now as the product is gone in my hair, it makes my hair look 10 times better, and it also has the matte structure, which I really like. That's all for this hairstyle, but you know what? I like to do this one final step, just to hold that product in my hair, so whenever I go outside, my hair doesn't just go back into its curly form. So what I do is, I take the hair dryer, but I go into the cold setting. And what I do is I just bend down and give a lot of air to my hair. What this does is it'll just lift your hair up while you put your hair down, and it'll just give you more volume, and it will keep your hair product intact. Never use hot heat while you have hair product in your hair. It'll just melt in your hair, and that will ruin your hair. So here you go, that gave my hair a little bit of more lift, and that made my hair look more sexy. That's all for this week's video, guys. I hope that you liked this video, and I also hope that you would definitely try these two hairstyles, because see, firstly, it makes you look sexy and handsome, and secondly, it's also time consuming, so it saves up a lot of time, because you can do it in under 10 or 5 minutes, which is absolutely insane. And yes, please don't forget to hit that like button. Also comment down below your suggestions as well. That's all from me. See you guys next week.